everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Meks Journey here, Planner Girl Meek on Instagram for all of the planner lovelies. But we are jumping right into it. This is the Midnight Masquerade Weekly Clip by The Planner Shack. And yes, it is the 16th of January where I'm doing this voiceover. And yeah, New Year's was like what, 2 weeks ago? It's okay. We gonna jump right on into it and get this done. This kit is so beautiful. The colors are so vibrant. If you watched my planner haul video, I was telling you guys that we had a lot of different options when it came to New Year's kit, and this one just spoke to me. Oh my goodness. Excuse me, y'all. But the colors were just like, yes, use me, please. I'll make your kit look beautiful. And it truly does. So here I am deciding, because we got my little extra boxes here, and y'all know how I love my little extra boxes. Extra boxes, extra boxes. I absolutely love them. And so I am trying to figure out the placement. I finally get it, but it took me a while. And I will admit that I have been rewatching Pretty Little Liars on HBO Max, and I am loving it so much. It's been, how long has it been since I've watched? It hasn't been that long since the show's been canceled, but I just started watching it again and I was like glued to watching this show. I'm in season one. I think I have two more episodes of season one and then I'll go into season two. But there's a lot that I'm like, I don't remember that. I don't remember that. Oh my goodness. So yeah, it's really, really good. So check that. If you guys were Pretty Little Liars fans, let me know down below because I am falling in love with the show all over again. Let's see, what am I doing here? I probably was pausing watching the show. Um, yeah, I'm still trying to decide what boxes I want to use. Y'all know I can be so indecisive, and I am so sorry if you can hear me drinking this water, but it is one of those days, y'all. It is early in the morning. I just finished teaching a class, and I'm like, while it's quiet in the house, let me go ahead and pop in this voiceover. But right now, I'm pretty much just laying out the foundation of my kit. I didn't really have a busy week. The week of New Year's, the kids were out of school. I didn't really have to work that much that week. So it was really, really relaxing. I know I was prepping kits for my planner haul. I will be doing more of those. You all seem to really, really like the planner printable sticker hauls. So I will be doing more of those come February. I think for the most part, I have most of my February kits picked out, but I will have to take another look at my planner and see. But here I am laying down this January script that I made with the Hello font, and I am grabbing some clip art. Now, listen, this January banner or top part, what are we calling that? I don't know what we're calling that now. I was so indecisive about this part. Yeah, I think I changed it like 5 or 6 times. I took a lot of it out because I just did not know the look or the flow that I wanted because I would see something, I'm like, oh, it was too dark up against the January sign, and I didn't want to change the color of that, and it was just a whole thing. I wanted it to have the New Year's vibe, but still have the flow or the blend that I was going for with my planner. And yeah, I couldn't make up my mind. I think I even stepped away from it for a second, went on to fill in other stuff, and came back to it. And eventually, I think I did like a floral type theme. But here I am marking on the daily sidebar that there was no school that week. That is generally where I put the kids' school schedules. And I, even if they have school, I would leave it blank in my plan with means because I don't really put their schedules out there like that. So it would either be the kids' schedules or my schedules. But yeah, so now I am laying down. Old school playing with me, but I am placing my bottom washi, two strips, the bow, and the fireworks. So awesome. Placing that down and making sure that it has its cut lines. And I am grabbing my deco. And these Facebook and Instagram deco came from another girl's PR sheet. I think I grabbed some of Terry's PR code. She has the Facebook, Instagram logos that I liked, and I was like, I want to use those. So yes, so I will make sure to have her link down below so you guys can check out her freebie. I will try my best to incorporate different girls' freebies in my plan with me so you guys can get a feel of the different ones that are out there. But they are all on the Facebook group. We put copies of what we get, and you can check them out there in case I forget. But here I am marking down Happy New Year, Happy 2021. Whew! I think everyone in the entire world has been looking forward to 2020 being over with, and I am along with them because listen, 2020 was like, what? I started teaching, and my son started kindergarten in 2019, and I was like, okay, I'm ready to teach. So at the beginning of the year, I was like, I'm gonna start teaching. I started teaching in March of 2020. COVID shut America down at March 13th of 2020. So I was juggling between teaching and homeschooling, and I am still maintaining the juggle because I love it. I think I like the challenge of it, of teaching and homeschooling, and having an educational background. It's just, I feel like I'm doing somewhat of what I'm supposed to be doing, along with the planner videos. And it's just, 2020 was like a lot of accomplishments for me, and it was a lot of headaches. But you got to crawl before you walk, as my mama would say. You got to crawl before you walk. And I definitely crawled and tripped and stumbled. But 2020 has finally come to a close, and I am excited for the new year. And I have a ton of New Year's resolutions, and I want to do a digital, Lord, what is that word? I can't think of the word, where you put all of your goals. I can't think of what it's called right now. Lord, y'all, if I think of it, I'll just put it there. But if you guys want to see that video, I can't. Most people take like magazines and chop them up and do it that way. Lord, y'all, I can't remember what that's called. But anywho, let's move on from that. Right now, I am doing my digital washi banner that I was so excited I finally figured out how to do. And I am using the bow washi headers provided in the kit, along with some of the foil headers, glitter foil. They're glitter headers. Why do I keep saying foil? Oh my goodness. But it came out so cute. I really, really liked how this one came out. It is just popping. I love it, love it, love it. I'm truly enjoying doing the washi banner. And here I am again with this January, y'all. Finally figuring out, like, I'm just gonna do what I normally do, and I think I turned down the transparency of the flowers to make them a little lighter, to make the January pop more, so you can see that this is a January weekly. And yeah, and this is how it turned out. We're almost done, y'all. Let me reel it in before I get lost on a tangent. Y'all know I can get lost on tangent. But this kit is pretty much done. I'm just doing some final tweaks to it, adding in those that I did a Facebook post, and then I did my Instagram post, and now I'm just moving things out of the way like I normally do, reeling it in, and putting everything together. And here I will do my tweaks, making sure all of the boxes are in the correct place. and therefore giving you the opportunity to see these beautiful, beautiful full boxes in all of their glory. Look at that. Look at these colors, y'all. Ugh, it's so beautiful. I truly, truly enjoyed placing this kit in my planner and my digital planner, and you guys will see that at the end as usual. But I just wanted to tell you guys thank you so much for coming and clicking on this video, supporting my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It truly, truly, truly helps me out. If you have any questions or comments, please leave that down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Oh my goodness, I always get excited when I say that because I love it, love it, love it. I love sharing this with you all. But please be blessed, have a prosperous new year, and I will check you guys out in the next video. There's lots to come for Meek's journey, and I hope you stay along for the ride. Okay, guys, I will chat with you in the next one. Bye, guys.